Money isn't just math, it's emotion, it's identity. It's the quiet voice that says, "Am I safe? Do I have enough? Can I make good choices?" Children don't learn financial intelligence from lectures. They learn it from conversations, modeling, and trust. They learn it when we let them make small mistakes, ask big questions, and feel empowered, not afraid. Let's explore how to raise children who are not just financially literate, but financially wise. What is financial intelligence? More than math, it's emotional wisdom around money. Financial intelligence is the ability to understand, manage, and make thoughtful decisions about money. But it's not just about knowing how to save or budget. It's about how we feel about money, how we talk about it, and how we teach it to our children. It blends three key layers. 1. Knowledge. This is the practical side, understanding how money works, knowing how to earn, save, spend, and invest, learning about budgeting, debt, and financial planning. Children begin absorbing this knowledge early, through observation, experience, and conversation. 2. Emotional awareness. Money is deeply emotional. It touches on safety, identity, fairness, and self-worth. Financial intelligence includes recognizing how money makes us feel: excited, anxious, ashamed, proud, managing those feelings without impulsive decisions, talking about money without fear or secrecy. Children who learn to name their emotions around money grow up with healthier financial habits. 3. Values and decision-making. Financial intelligence also means knowing why we make certain choices. It includes aligning spending with personal values, practicing generosity and gratitude, understanding long-term consequences, making ethical, thoughtful decisions, not just emotional ones. Children learn this by watching how we spend, save, and give, and by being invited into those conversations. What research shows, studies have found that parental communication and teaching have the strongest impact on a child's financial attitude and knowledge. Just watching parents isn't enough. Children need open dialogue, emotional safety, and real-life practice. Why financial intelligence starts early? Because children absorb more than we teach. Financial intelligence doesn't begin with a bank account. It begins with a child watching how you pay for groceries. It begins when they hear you say, "We can't afford that right now," or "Let's save up for something special." Children start forming money beliefs as early as age 3, and research shows that core financial habits are largely set by age 7. That means the way we talk about money, the emotions we attach to it, and the choices we model all shape their future. 1. Children learn through experience, not explanation. Just like reading or empathy, money wisdom grows through hands-on practice, emotional modeling, repetition, and routine. Letting a child save coins in a jar, choose how to spend a small allowance, pay for something at the store teaches ownership, patience, and decision-making. These small moments build the foundation for financial confidence. 2. Early money lessons shape emotional safety. Money is tied to emotional safety. When children see stress, secrecy, or shame around money, they may internalize fear of spending, anxiety about scarcity, beliefs like, "I'm not good with money." But when they see calm, clarity, and trust, they learn, money is something I can understand. I can make good choices. Mistakes are part of learning. This emotional safety is the root of financial intelligence. 3. Financial habits mirror emotional habits. Saving, spending, and sharing all reflect emotional traits. Saving teaches delayed gratification. Spending wisely teaches impulse control. Giving teaches empathy and generosity. These are not just financial skills, they're life skills, and they begin in childhood, through everyday interactions. How to build financial intelligence gently. Teaching money wisdom with heart, not harshness. Children don't learn financial intelligence from lectures. They learn it from lived experience, from watching how we spend, save, and share, from being invited into conversations, not shut out of them, and from making small choices that lead to big lessons. Here's how to guide them with warmth and wisdom. 1. Talk about money openly. Avoid secrecy or stress. Instead, narrate your choices with calm and clarity. Say, "We're saving for something important. This costs more than we planned, so we'll adjust. Let's look at the budget together." Why it works. Open dialogue removes fear. It teaches that money is manageable, not mysterious. 2. Let children practice with real decisions. Give them small amounts of money to manage. Let them make choices, even imperfect ones. Try a weekly allowance with freedom to spend or save, a savings jar for a toy or goal, a budget challenge at the grocery store. Say, "You can choose how to spend this. Let's talk about your options." If you save part of it, you'll have more later. Why it works. Mistakes become lessons, not punishments. This builds confidence and ownership. 3. Teach emotional awareness around money. Help children notice how money makes them feel. Ask, "Did you feel excited or nervous spending that? What does saving feel like? Do you ever worry about money?" Why it works. This builds emotional intelligence alongside financial skills. It helps children regulate impulses and make thoughtful choices. 4. Model values, not just habits. Children learn more from what we value than what we say. Model generosity, gratitude, thoughtful spending, ethical choices. Say, "We choose to spend on things that matter to us. We give because we believe in helping others." Why it works. This teaches that money is a tool, not a measure of worth. It builds character, not just competence. Closing message. Money wisdom begins in the heart. Financial intelligence isn't just about numbers. It's about values. It's about trust. It's about raising children who know that their worth isn't measured by what they own, but by how they choose, give, and grow. So let's teach them gently. Let them save slowly. Let them spend thoughtfully. Let them ask questions without fear. Because every coin they count, every choice they make is a chance to build not just wealth, but wisdom. If this message sparked something meaningful for you, follow Seeds of Tomorrow for more heart-centered parenting tools, emotional insights, and reflections that grow with your child and with you. Let's keep growing together, one conscious choice at a time. See you in the next video.